Unlock the secret to building a massive fan base on OnlyFans and make a sustainable living.
We're going to show you how to take your account to the next level. Identify the problem and topic. To build an audience for OnlyFans content, the first step is to identify the problem and topic that you want to focus on. You need to understand your niche and sub-niche audience, their challenges, desires, and needs. This will help you to create content that resonates with them and attracts them to your platform. The problem may be that the traditional social media platforms are not effective in reaching their target audience, or that they are unable to monetize their content, and they want a platform where they can share their content and earn money. For some, the problem may be that they are not sure how to market their content and build their audience on OnlyFans. The topics to focus on when building an audience for OnlyFans content include helping content creators to 1. Create high-quality content that resonates with their audience. 2. Monetize their content effectively. 3. Engage and interact with their audience. 4. Collaborate with other creators and brands to grow their audience. 5. Use tools like chatbots, automation, and other systems to promote their content and build their audience. Once you have identified the niche and sub-niche, the problem that they face, and the topics that you want to focus on, you can start creating content that will provide value to your audience, build your brand, and attract more fans to your OnlyFans profile. The main topic of interest for your niche audience, who are aspiring OnlyFans content creators, would be how to effectively build an audience for your content. This would include strategies such as promoting your content on social media and other platforms, engaging with your audience, and utilizing marketing tools such as chatbots and automation. Additionally, it would be important to focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience to keep them engaged and coming back for more. By focusing on these key strategies, you can effectively build a loyal fan base and achieve success as an OnlyFans content creator.
Why traditional marketing is dead for OnlyFans creators. Here's what you need instead. As an OnlyFans content creator, it can be daunting to build an audience that is willing to pay for your content. It's a competitive market, and there are hundreds of others out there vying for attention. But for someone like Amy, who wants to grow her influence and showcase her adult content while avoiding the stigma of being associated with OnlyFans, building the right audience is crucial. Fortunately, with the right marketing strategies and tools, Amy can tap into the power of chatbots and automation to find her ideal audience and build a brand that cultivates a loyal following. By working with 𝙒𝙖𝙧𝙣𝙬 2069 and leveraging our unique marketing services, Amy can finally showcase her talents, build her brand, and do it all without the gaze of others looking down on her. The opportunities are there, and we're here to help you seize them.
Stop believing that OnlyFans content creation is only for a limited audience. Sure, here's an outline of 4 steps that Amy can follow to build an audience for her OnlyFans content. 1. Determine your target audience. Amy should determine who her target audience is, what they like, and what kind of content they'd like to see from her. For example, if her target audience is men who are into cosplay, she could create content that features sexy cosplay outfits. 2. Promote your OnlyFans account on social media. Once she has identified her target audience, she can promote her OnlyFans account to them via social media channels. For instance, by posting teasers or snippets of her OnlyFans content. 3. Engage with fans. Amy should take the time to engage with her fans and respond to their messages and comments. This can help to build a loyal following. 4. Offer exclusive content. Finally, she needs to offer exclusive content on OnlyFans that fans can't get elsewhere. This can include behind-the-scenes content, exclusive photo and video shoots, and personalized messages. By following these 4 steps, Amy can build an audience for her OnlyFans content and increase her chances of success.
Strategic priorities: how to build an audience for OnlyFans content and achieve success in your niche. 1. Create engaging and high-quality content consistently to attract a loyal fan base. 2. Utilize social media channels to promote and market the OnlyFans page. 3. Create chatbots and automation to streamline the subscription process and enhance the user experience. 4. Network and collaborate with other adult content creators and brands to expand their reach and attract new customers.
Attract, engage, and convert powerful strategies to build an audience and boost your OnlyFans content success. 1. Use influencer marketing. Find and collaborate with other influencers in the niche with similar audiences to increase visibility and following. 2. Use paid advertising. Paid advertising can be used to increase the visibility and following of OnlyFans accounts. It is an effective way to target specific demographics, locations, and interests. 3. Use chatbots and automation. Automating responses to fans and followers can help save time and ensure a consistent brand message. The use of chatbots can also improve the customer service experience. 4. Content marketing. Creating and promoting high-quality content such as photos, videos, and blogs can attract fans and followers and drive traffic to OnlyFans profiles. 1. Building trust. The trust factor plays a vital role in building a reliable audience for OnlyFans content. Since the content is adult-oriented, the creators need to build trust with the audience to make them feel comfortable subscribing to their content. 2. Finding the right audience. Another significant challenge for content creators in this niche is to reach the right audience, as not everyone is comfortable with adult-oriented content. Hence, the creators need to have robust marketing strategies to attract the right audience to their OnlyFans content. 1. The first improvement is providing a way for content creators to promote their work without having the OnlyFans tag attached to it, which can help them build their brand free of social judgment. 2. The second improvement is using chatbots and automation to manage her sales and promotion efforts. This will help streamline her marketing while building her brand among her target audience. 1. Limited traffic sources. The adult content market is quite competitive, and getting traffic to a new OnlyFans page can be a significant challenge. Reaching out to potential fans or followers through traditional digital marketing channels is often discouraged since this could lead to censorship or a possible ban. 2. Maintaining anonymity. While many people may wish to release adult content, their desire to avoid social stigma may make them feel hesitant. These creators run the risk of being outed or recognized by family, friends, or employers if they fail to keep their identities hidden. This social concern can be a big obstacle to converting potential fans into paying subscribers, without any additional efforts to expose their identity.
Discuss the problem in detail. It can be challenging to gain followers for OnlyFans content, especially for those who are new to the platform. The problem lies in the fact that most creators on the platform have to rely solely on their fans to promote their content, which can take time and effort to build. This makes it essential for content creators on OnlyFans to create a strong personal brand and engage with their fans more effectively. Another challenge that comes with building an audience on OnlyFans is the fear of social judgment. Many content creators prefer to keep their OnlyFans accounts a secret due to the stigma attached to adult content platforms. This makes it harder for creators to promote themselves effectively and can hold them back from reaching their full potential on the platform. Lastly, with the rise in competition among content creators on OnlyFans, it has become essential to standing out from the crowd to attract more followers. This requires creative and unique content ideas, a dedicated brand, a solid promotion strategy, and the use of various promotional tools such as chatbots, automation, and other systems to streamline the process.
How to build a profitable OnlyFans audience and boost your earnings? How do I build a large and loyal OnlyFans audience without the risk of social judgment or having the OnlyFans tag associated with my brand? When trying to build an audience for OnlyFans content, it is essential to address the main question: how to do it without people knowing your association with OnlyFans? By not addressing this question, your niche may be falling behind because it limits the reach of your content and hinders the potential to build a larger and more profitable audience. This could also lead to social judgment and unwanted scrutiny, which could impact your personal and professional reputation. With OnlyFans OnlyFan Marketing, we provide customized marketing strategies that help you build a loyal audience without the negative association with OnlyFans. With our expertise, we ensure the privacy of your content and help you build a brand that can help you create a living without any social judgment. By not solving the main question of how to build an audience for OnlyFans content, there are several potential risks and consequences. Well, this video seems to be going on for a long time. To learn more, go to 𝙤𝙤𝙢𝙬𝙤.com/blog to see the rest of this blog. We hope this video blog helps you with your marketing content. By the way, we updated the blog with more information to take your OnlyFans marketing to the next level. Link is in the description. Like and subscribe. This has been an LL Studio 2069 LLC production. Copyright 2023.